Hey guys, this is Tom at Middlebury Chevrolet, and this is stock number AM1075B. It's a beautiful truck, a 2008 Silverado 1500, regular cab with the long box, the 8-foot bed. No words really. I mean, we don't really tend to get 10-year-old trucks this clean, trust me. But this is absolutely immaculate. Red hot exterior. You do have the bed liner as well. And it's an 08 truck with just over 72,000 miles on the clock. So clean, just exquisite. Let's take a quick look inside. Like an imbecile, I didn't unlock the door. Here we go. I mean, it could be a new truck. It could be a new truck. Unbelievable. Bed liner there, of course, as well. Coming round to the back. As you can see, purchased here way back in 08. Formerly Denica Chevrolet, now Middlebury Chevrolet. So local owner purchased a new truck after 13 years. I can guarantee you in 13 years time he'll come back and his truck will look as good as this does now. Give us a call if you're interested. 802-382-2227, a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. That stock number again is AM1075B.